It's funny because I've watched the Tower of Druaga, and the Tower of Druaga is always I like the anime from Funimation, but the thing about this game is that it's always a first person type of game, like a dungeon crawler in the first person mode. And yeah, so I think this one takes on a different role because it is an RPG. They're always RPGs. It takes on this type of kind of like Deadly Towers for the SNES. If you've ever seen that, this is basically Deadly Towers for the SNES. Um, and yeah, post commentary, I guess, since this shit's gonna be extra fucking loud. Yeah. What? I hit him though. I guess you gotta hold it. Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Okay. This is whack. To be honest, this is like a Faerun. This is basically Faerun right here. This is where Faerun came from. I don't like that noise though. Fuck yourself. Fuck yourself. I don't know what the purpose of this game is. I don't even know if there is one. But alrighty, so I guess this is Tower Druaga, kind of like a game sample. Show this off, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna play Lady Sword. So yeah.